Today we are talking about the difference between our Battu and our double. Battu means beaten. So traditionally, again, we're in our sur le coup de pied position, and we are beating our toes. Now there are different ways in which we can do this, and sometimes they are referred to as petit battus because they're little beats. It depends on the instructor and the method of ballet that you are practicing as to whether or not they would be called just a battu or a petit battu. So, the movement is either your toes or your foot moving front and back, or it can go from a wrapped to the back position. This can also move up the leg in the wrapped position or in the front, and this can also go back and front, being beaten, moving up and down the leg, or the wrapped back position, moving up and down the leg. When we talk about our doubles now we're talking about how many times we are moving our foot before it's going to strike the ground. So if I'm in the flexed position, I would be back, front, strike the ground, and press it out. If I go to the back, it would go front, back, strike to the back. The sides are interesting because they rotate, pending which direction we came from. So if I come from the front, then we would go back, front, side. And then if I go from the back, it would go front, back, side. To give a side view, if I'm doing my double, it would go front, back, back, or back, front, front, and it can go front, back, side, or back, front, side. To give a side view of our battus, we can either move just our toes, or we would be beating front and to the back, or wrapped to the back. Again, that movement can go all the way up the leg and back down.